And to post a photo, instead of going here, you click photo video, click add photos and videos. Before I do that, I'm going to give a little description here. I'm going to say late last night, the end of Anthony's party. Anthony. You can click downloads. This is the image. There's the image. There's me and my wife, and then the blue button to post. So, yeah, it says it's posting. And you can check by going down late last night, and I've done something wrong here. So I can always edit that by going there. Edit post at the end. And then I can save that. There we go. That's how you can download a photo, post a photo onto your Facebook feed. Sorry, I'm doing this a bit quickly. I've also shown you how you can edit a post and save a post. One way to check is you can always click on your name in the top left. Just if you're worried. And you can go down and your latest post will be just there. And it gives you a timestamp just there, and it says just now. And then you can check the time. It's the 20th of November, early in the morning. And you can see here, Sunday the 20th of November. And here's the party post. If you want to tag people, what this does is this lets Facebook will let the people tagged know that you've made this photo. All you have to do is you have to make sure that you're friends with them on Facebook, and you can @ them. And you can do that simply by putting the @ sign like this, and a list of people will come up. I'll put my wife, Chloe, and then click save. So in this video, I've downloaded a photo, made a post, I've tagged the party people, the people that hosted the party. I've edited the post, and I also checked on my profile that it's come up correctly. Hope that helps. Cheers.